In this video, I'll reveal 3 unconventional side hustles that can help you make up to $800 a day without requiring any special skills. One of these side hustles has already earned me $1,500, and I'm excited to share it with you. Let's dive into the first side hustle on our list, which involves using Etsy.com. Etsy is a popular American website, similar to Amazon and eBay, where most products sold are handmade. However, our focus here is on canvas artwork, such as the ones displayed on the website. In this marketplace, there are numerous sellers offering their own unique pieces of artwork. Let's take a closer look at one seller who is offering a stock market bull and bear artwork. This particular seller has received hundreds of sales and reviews, indicating that their artwork is popular among buyers. Additionally, they offer the artwork in different sizes, providing options for customers to choose from. Furthermore, there are many other sellers offering canvas artwork in this marketplace. For example, another seller is offering their artworks and has also received positive ratings from previous customers. This demonstrates that there are various options available for those interested in purchasing canvas artwork. By exploring the different sellers and their products, buyers can find the perfect piece of artwork to suit their preferences and budget. This image displays various canvas paintings that come in different sizes and images. However, what you might not realize is that the sellers are not the ones physically producing these paintings. Instead, they utilize a service called Print on Demand, which takes care of everything for them. These sellers simply create the artwork using software like Photoshop and then upload it onto a website like Printify. From there, the website takes care of the rest, including printing the artwork onto canvases, packaging and shipping them directly to customers. Print on Demand is a popular business model that allows artists and designers to sell their creations without having to worry about inventory, shipping, or any other logistics. This is a great way for creators to focus on their craft without having to take on the responsibilities of running a full-fledged business. It's also a win for customers, who can purchase unique and personalized products without having to pay exorbitant prices. One of the advantages of using print-on-demand services is that it allows creators to offer their designs in a variety of formats and sizes, as shown in the image. Customers can choose the size and type of canvas that best suits their needs and preferences. This flexibility allows sellers to cater to a wide range of customers and increase their chances of making sales. For those of you who are not skilled in graphic design or art, you might be wondering how you can create unique and attractive designs for your side hustle. Don't worry, I have a solution for you. I have recently noticed a lot of Instagram ads featuring canvas prints with motivational and inspirational quotes that are selling very well. The best part is, you don't have to be a designer to create these. You can use a free platform like Canva.com to design your prints, and Pinterest.com to find inspiration for your quotes. You can also get creative and create more complex designs like the ones shown in the video. The great thing about this side hustle is that you don't have to worry about shipping products or managing inventory. All you have to do is create the designs, and the printing and shipping will be handled by a third-party company. This makes it an excellent choice for those who love to create and want to earn some extra income on the side. We'll be using Amazon, which is the largest e-commerce platform in the world. Millions of people consistently buy from Amazon, and you've probably purchased from them too. Most people watch them before buying a product to see if it's worth purchasing. But what you might not know is that the people who create these videos are getting paid for them. And the best part is, these video creators are just regular people like you and me. To get started with this side hustle, all you have to do is create a video review of a product you've purchased from Amazon. You don't need any special skills or equipment. Just use your smartphone camera to record yourself reviewing the product. Once you've uploaded the video to YouTube, you can apply for the Amazon Associates program and include your affiliate link in the video description. This way, if someone watches your video and purchases the product through your link, you'll earn a commission. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online, and it doesn't require any investment or experience. That's it for this video. If you want to learn more about how to make money online, watch the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.